Exercise 2.12. Let b greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. Express y equal to b power x in logarithmic form. Also, state the domain and range of the logarithmic function. Here it's given y equal to b power x. We want to take log on both the sides so that we can have log y base b, and even here log b power x base b. We are taking log b on both the sides. Okay, and then if x is on the power, we can take this to the front here like this. So x log b base b. The value of x log b base b is 1. So here we got only x here. The value of x is log y base b. Here x can be real values, isn't it? So we can have the real values are nothing but from 0 to infinity. So y belongs to 0 to infinity. And x is the whole thing, that minus infinity to plus infinity. Here we can say this particular y belongs to 0 comma infinity, that is the domain. The range is the whole thing. X belongs to minus infinity to plus infinity. So we got domain and range. This is the logarithmic form. Second problem. Compute log 27 base 9 minus log 9 base 27. We want to find the value of this. Here I want to take this log 27 base 9 as log 27 base 3 and log 9 base 3. The same 27 and 9 can be written in this form, and the whole thing, this 27, 9 and are divisible by 3, that common factor, so the smallest common factor. So that I want to write like this: log 3, log 27 base 3, log 9 base 3. Even here also I can write the same base 3, log 9 base 3 and log 27 base 3. And after that, if you have the pass, we can take to the front, isn't it? So I want to take this, and before that I want to write this 27 as 3 cube, this 27 as 3 cube, this 9 as 3 square, and this 9 as 3 square. Okay, and then I want to take the pass to the front. So I can take this part 3 to front here. So 3 log 3 base 3. And then here 2 log 3 base 3. And here 2 log 3 base 3. And here 2 log 3 base 3. We know that log a base a equal to 1, isn't it? Equal to 1. So I can write for these values. Log 3 base 3 is 1, this is 1, and this is also 1, here also 1. So totally I will have here 3 by 2 and here also 2 by 3. So that's what I have there. And then take LCM for this and simplify, you will get the answer for this problem. So the answer is 5 by 6 now. Third problem. Solve log x base 8, log x base 4 plus log x base 2 equal to 11. Here it's given, we want to solve. Solve means we want to find the value of the variable x. Okay. So now I want to take one by one for this log x base 8. For this I want to follow this formula, that logarithmic formula. Log x base a equal to 1 by log a base x. We have to interchange these two. When we are writing in reciprocal, we have to interchange this two. So I can get log x base a equal to 1 by log a base x. Okay, I am going to this formula for these three terms in this logarithmic function. Okay, so let me take this. For this first one, I can write this 1 by log 8 base x. And here for the second one, 1 by log 4 base x. For the third one, 1 by log 2 base x. Okay, and then this 8 can be written as the power of 2, isn't it? So it will be 2 cube. Here this 4 is 2 square. This 2 is as it is 2 power 1. Okay, and then now I have the common, we can take this 2 to the front, isn't it? So I can have here in the first term 1 by 2 log 2 base x, isn't it? Similarly for the second one also 1 by 2 log 2 base x, and then for the here it is 3, and then for the next one 1 by log 2 base x. The common terms are log a base x is there. Okay, so I want to log 2 base x is there, so I want to take a equal to log 2 base x. I want to substitute in this, so I can have 1 by 3a, 1 by 2a and 1 by a equal to 11. That is the given equation. And then I want to simplify this equation, take the LCM and find the value of a here. So what's the value of a now? 1 by 6. But here already we took for a is log 2 base x. So we have to substitute log 2 base x equal to 1 by 6. Here I want to find the value of x, isn't it? So I want to change this into exponential form. When you are taking exponential, we have to interchange these two there. Okay, so x power 1 by 6 equal to 2. So and then I want to multiply both the powers by 6. If you multiply with 6, here 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So x will be there, x equal to 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is nothing but 6 times we have to multiply 2, so that we got the value 64. So the value of x is 64. Next problem, solve log 2 power 8x base 4 equal to log 8 base 2. Here also solve. We want to find the value of x. Okay, so here when it is in the power, we have to take to the front, isn't it? So take 8x here and log 2 base 4 is the remaining thing equal to, here this 8 can be written in the form of 2 cubed. So 2 log 2 cube base 2 is here. Okay, and then I want to write this one as this form. So 8x into this 2, and for this 2 will be written in this form with base 2, with log as base 2. So log 2 base 2, here log 4 base 2 equal to 2 power 3 log x square. And then I want to here I can write this 4 as 2 square, isn't it? So I can have this 2 square can be written to front there. So 2 log 2 base x here is equal to, here simply we have 2 cube. The value of 2 cube is 8. Here log 2 base 2 value is 1. So here simply I have 8x by 2 equal to this 8. Here this 8 and 8 will get cancelled. Simply now we have x by 2 equal to 1. When x by 2 equal to 1, x equal to 2. Cross multiply, we will get the value of 2 here. Okay. If a square plus b square equal to 7ab, show that log of a plus b by 3 equal to 1 by 2 log a plus log b. Here it is given a square plus b square equal to 7ab. We know the algebraic formula a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Instead of this a square plus b square, I can substitute this 7ab here. So, we will get a plus b the whole square equal to 9ab. Taking square root on both the sides, we can have a plus b equal to 3 root ab. So, taking this 3 to the down, we can have a plus 3, a plus b by 3 equal to root ab. Take log on both the sides. So, log of a plus b equal to log of this ab whole power 1 by 2. That square root is nothing but whole power 1 by 2. So, we can take this 1 by 2 here. So, we can write this in this form, half into log of a plus ab. So, it is in multiplication now, isn't it? So, we can write into addition format. So, log of a plus b by 3 equal to half into log a plus log b. Okay. The next problem, prove that log a square by bc plus log b square by ca plus log c square by ab equal to 0. Here the left hand side is in the form of addition. If it is addition, we can write in the logarithmic form as multiplication, isn't it? So, we can write all the things into multiplication. So, that which is left hand side equal to log of a square by b square into b square by ca into c square by ab. When we cancel these things, the 2a square and then b square and then c square will get cancelled. So, in the bracket I have only 1. So, log 1 value is 0. So, we proved which is equal to 0 now. Seventh sum, prove that log 2 plus 16 log 16 by 5 plus 12 log 25 by 84 plus 7 log 81 by 80 equal to 1. Now take the left hand side alone. Here this division can be written in the form of subtraction, isn't it? So I can write in that form. Keep log 2 as it is. Then 16. The 16 by 15 can be written as log 16 minus log 15. Here 16 is the common thing. So write 16 log 16 minus 16 log 15. And here this 25 by 4 can be written as log 25 minus log 24. Here we have 12. So multiply with this. So I can write 12 log 25 minus 12 log 24. And then this 81 by 80 is there. We can write 81 log 81 minus log 80. Here I have 7. So multiply with that 7. Therefore, we can write this 7 log 81 minus 7 log 80. Do you got it that till this? Okay. And then I want to write in the past. Okay. So I can write this 16 as 2 power 4, isn't it? The 16 can be written as 2 power 4. And then this 15 is 3 into 5. And then 25, this is 5 square. So like this you can write each and everything in the past now. Okay. And then here I can take this 4 to front there. So 4 into 16 is 64. And here I want to write these two things as the, I want to separate these things. So log 3 plus log 5 will be there. Here I have one minus symbol, so you have to multiply with that. So I can have minus 16 log 3 minus 16 log 5. Okay, and here I want to multiply with these two. So I can have 24 log 5. And then here I want to split this thing there. Here I want to split. So how to split that? 2 cube into 3 is there. So minus log 2 cube and then minus 2 log 3. These two terms are there. I multiply with the front also here. And then here 4 should be come here. So 28 log 3. And here I want to separate these terms so that it will be minus 7 log 2 power 4 minus 7 log 3. That 2 power 4 and 7 will be multiplied with this 4 and 7 will be multiplied there. So that minus 28 log 2 minus 7 log 5. The last term will be there. Okay, and then next I can group the terms there. How to group this? Log 2. So how many log 2's are there here? I want to group the log 2 terms here and even here. So take log 2 there. So this is 1 and here 64 and then next 36 and the last one is 28 minus 28. And then group the other log 3 terms. Here log 3, here log 3 and here. That's all. So I want to group the log 3 terms here and then log 5. Log 5 is here and then here and then here also. So group these 3 terms for log 5. And then we want to get the values of this, simplify the values there. So if you simplify these things, you will get 1 here. If you simplify, it will be 0. If you simplify, this is 1. So here log log, here simply we have log 2. Here log 0 is there. Log 0 value is 1. And then here log 5 will be there. Log 5 is, so the final answer is log 2 plus log 5. That log 2 plus log 5 can be written as log 2 into 5, isn't it? So the answer is log 10. Here we got log 2 plus log 5. So we can write these two as log 2 into 5, that is log 10 and base 10. The value is 1. We want to prove it is equal to 1 only. So we got the answer like this. Okay. The next problem. Log a base a square into log b base b square into log c base c square equal to 1 by 8. Here I want to write this each and everything in the reciprocal form there. Okay. So how to write the log a base a square can be written as 1 by log a square base a. And this one 1 by log b square b. And this one log 1 by log c square base c. If it is in the part, we can take to the front, isn't it? So this 2 can be written to front there like this. 2 log a base a, and even here also we can take this to here 2 log b base b, and here also 2 log c base c. 2 will be here. So log a base a value is 1, isn't it? So here 1 by 2, here 1 by 2, and here also 1 by 2. When you multiply everything, you will get simply 1 by 8. Next problem. log a plus log a square plus log a cube plus etc. log a power n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 log a. Take the left hand side. Here that log a plus log a square plus log a cube plus etc. plus log a power n is there. I want to take log a as common factor. So log a is here. When you take log a as common, here I can write 1 plus here 2, the 2 can be written into front, 3 can be written here like this, n can be written here. So I can have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to n. So this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. n is the sum of the first n terms, isn't it? So I can write this formula as n into n plus 1 by 2. Here I have log a only. So this is the proof what we required here. Tenth problem. If log x by y minus z equal to log y by z minus x equal to log z by x minus y, then prove that x y z equal to 1. Okay, let me take the left hand side and equal to the constant k here. So I want to take the left hand side of this problem and want to equate to a constant k. So each and everything I can equate now. Log x by y minus z equal to k. Cross multiply, I will get this one. Log x equal to k into y minus z. When we equate these two, log y by z minus x equal to k, I can write this as log y equal to k into z minus x. I want to equate these so that I can have log z equal to k into x minus y. Okay, each and everything I want to equate first, and then I want to add all the left hand side of these three. So I can have this log x plus log y plus log z equal to here and all. K is the common thing, so take k as common there, and then add all the brackets there, y minus z, z minus x and x minus y. When you are adding everything, it will get cancelled, so the value is 0 in the bracket now. So log of here log x plus log y plus log z can be written as log of x y z multiplicative form equal to k into 0. So log x y z equal to 0. When we are taking this into the exponential form, it will be x y z equal to e power 0. So e power 0 value is 1. Therefore the value of x y z equal to 1. So that is the proof we need here. Okay. 11th sum. Solve log x base 2 minus 3 log x base 1 by 2 equal to 6. Okay. Here I want to take this log x base half as minus log 2 minus log x base 2. So this can be written as this form, and we have to put one minus symbol. Okay, so log x base half equal to minus log x base 2. I want to substitute this in the left hand side of the given problem. Okay, so log x base 2 as it is 3 into, instead of this I want to write minus log 2 base x log x base 2 equal to 6. Okay, and then if you multiply these two, you will get plus. So log x base 2 is here, plus 3 log x base 2 is here, equal to 6. So here one time, here it is 3 times. So totally 4 times we have that. Therefore 4 log x base 2 equal to 6. So log x base 2 equal to 6 by 4, it will get cancelled, so that we have log x base 2 equal to 3 by 2. Change into exponential form. So it will become 2 power 3 by 2 equal to x. Okay. So x equal to 2 power 3 by 2. That can be written as 2 cube into half in the power. So therefore 2 cube is 8. So 8 power 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 is the square root of 8, isn't it? Square root of 8 is 2 root 2 here. Okay. The next problem, 12th sum. Log x square minus 6x plus 65 base 5 minus x equal to 2. Here also solve, we want to find the value of x. Let me take this into the exponential form. Change into exponential form. So that here x square minus 6x plus 65 equal to 5 minus x the whole square. Okay, this is the exponential form what we took there. And then change, you have to apply the formula for a minus b the whole square, so that we can have 25 minus 10x plus x square, and then take all the x to one side and constant to the other side. So we have 4x equal to minus 40. Therefore x equal to minus 10. So the value of x is minus 10 here. Okay.